You spent 10 years becoming the best at one thing, and a software update made it optional. The most employable people right now are not the experts. A funded startup spent 10 years becoming the best at one thing. A software update made it optional. The most hired person in the room is not the one with the deepest expertise. And if that does not disturb you, it is because nobody has shown you the data yet. Subscribe to Technology Upside because the career logic you were taught in school is now the fastest route to being automated out of the market. For decades, the advice was simple: pick a lane, go deep, and become indispensable. The advice was built for a market where depth was scarce. AI ended that scarcity overnight. The rarest thing in the market right now is not depth, it is range. Hyper specialists answer the question in front of them. Generalists see the question behind the question. In a stable market, answering fast wins. In a volatile market, seeing clearly wins. And right now, every market is volatile. This is not an argument against expertise. It is an argument against a single expertise in a world that no longer operates in single lanes. But before you pivot, you need to understand exactly how the collapse of specialization started. This is what the next video is about.